Hi! In front of me is NOKIA T10 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access About Tablet section. Then click on device name under basic info and type in wherever you wish to. In my case, Sunny. When you finish, hit OK in the pop-up. So when I do that, I need to select OK in the other one about visibility. And as you can see, after that, name of my tablet has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!